Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to turn off automatic first letter sentence capitalization in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Go to the top menu bar and click on Tools. Scroll down through the drop-down menu options and click directly on Preferences. A configuration pop-up window will appear on your screen displaying the General Settings tab. Locate the option labeled Automatically Capitalize Words near the top of the list. Click the checkbox next to Automatically Capitalize Words to uncheck it and turn the feature off. Click the blue OK button at the bottom right corner of the window to save your new settings. Google Docs will no longer automatically capitalize the first letter of sentences or new lines, allowing you to type in full lowercase or custom capitalization formats without interference. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.